the scene. That Black God video. Motherfucking little fool, space goes Purrp in this bitch with the motherfucking Raiders, you know? As usual. Looking at the city. We gonna be over the ledge right here, you know what I'm saying? With our backs to the whole city going here while my dog's spitting them flames.
When the album dropping?
June motherfucking 12.
What's the name of the album?
Mysterious Funk. Yeah, I've been up, man. I've been up like a zombie, man. Just up, you know what I'm saying?
Grinding.
Just grinding, dog. Grinding like Tony Hawk, man. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to get shit done. You know, this shit gonna come out real good. It's gonna come out real funky for the real niggas out here that understand what this real rap shit is about.
That shit scary, man. They told us we had to stand on it. We was like, fuck. We did sick. Still, we ain't in New York, goddamn. We ain't used to this shit. We ain't used to this shit here.
I say what time, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to slam the dog, space goes Purrp. Little Dodo the Don around this bitch. You feel me? June 12th. Checking on out that album. You know what I'm saying? Gonna be doing big things. It's going down. About them dollars, baby. About them dollars. Real shit, though. About them dollars, you feel? Cutting the check. Fuck that. You know? Ain't that right, Dodo? Let them know, nigga, about cutting that check, man.
Cut that motherfucking check, nigga. I'll put that pussy to your chest.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Tell the people what they should be expecting from this album, man.
Man, they should be expecting, you know, something different, something new to the table with an old school feel to it. And, you know, basically I'm just trying to bring that old sound back with my twist to it, that mysterious funk that they ain't gonna expect to hear when they chillin', smoking with their homies, you know, vibing and shit. You know what I'm saying?
I'll about to
Video. Everything been, you know what I'm saying? Last scene for the whole video.
That'd be crazy.
The movie, you know? Space goes Purrp in this motherfucker.
You got that song, little beat, and just bust it out.
All y'all niggas. The fire right here, and they keep moving like this, and I'm rapping.
Alright, how about this?
And I guess it's contagious throughout the whole way. I say my mind on the secret master plan, the black and girl with the cash in my hand. And I guess it's contagious throughout the whole way. I say my mind on the secret master.
About to rap it on us. City of Miami just told us to rap it. You know what I mean?
Get him on camera. Just get at him bitching and shit.
Behind the Raiders Klan and this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. City of Miami, fine.
We out here, man.
Y'all.
Jay niggas, man. Colbert, man. Uptown, we out here.
I'm taking let's go, guys.